Presenting boAt Bassheads 242 wired sports earphones that provides high-definition audio for a completely immersive experience. It is a wired in-ear earphones with an inline microphone allowing hands-free calling for an uninterrupted workout session. This wired earphone comes with superior coated cable that can endure twisting, contorting and tangling. It also features shape-adaptive secure fit ear hooks that ensures a comfortable and snug fit even during extensive exercises. It has IPX4 sweat and water-resistant earbuds. This boAt earphone comes with 10mm dynamic drivers that gives you HD audio reproduction along with powerful bass, letting you immerse in high-quality sound experience. It comes with a 3.5mm straight jack, making it compatible with all devices that carry a 3.5mm slot. It comes with inline controls that let you answer or reject calls along with controlling your music. The boAt Bassheads 242 is available in active black, blue, neon green, orange, red and spirit lime color. Inside the box you will find carry pouch, warranty card, additional earbuds, Bassheads 242. This product comes with standard brand warranty. You can pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 7 days return or replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.